Kinematic equations for uniformly accelerated motion. For uniformly accelerated motion, we can derive some simple equations that relate displacement x, time taken t, initial velocity v0, final velocity v, and acceleration a. Equation 3.6 already obtained gives a relation between final and initial velocities v and v0 of an object moving with uniform acceleration a. V equals v0 plus at. This relation is graphically represented in figure 3.12. The area under this curve, area between instants O and T, equals area of triangle ABC plus area of rectangle OACD, equals half into V minus V0 into T plus V0 T. Figure 3.12, area under Vt curve for an object with uniform acceleration. As explained in the previous session, the area under Vt curve represents a displacement. Therefore, the displacement x of an object is x equals half into v minus v0 into t plus v0 t. But v minus v0 equals at. Therefore, x equals half at square plus v0 t, or x equals v0 t plus half at square. Equation 3.7 can also be written as x equals v plus v0 divided by 2 into t, which equals average velocity into t, where v average equals v plus v0 divided by 2, constant acceleration only. Equations 3.9a and 3.9b mean that the object has undergone displacement x with an average velocity equal to the arithmetic average of the initial and final velocities. From equation 3.6, t equals v minus v0 by a. Substituting this in equation 3.9a, we get x equals v average into t, which equals v plus v0 by 2 into v minus v0 by a, which equals v square minus v0 square divided by 2a, which implies v square equals v0 square plus 2ax. This equation can also be obtained by substituting the value of t from equation 3.6 into equation 3.8. Thus, we have obtained three important equations: v equals v0 plus at, x equals v0 t plus half at square, v square equals v0 square plus 2ax. Connecting five quantities v0, v, a, t and x, these are kinematic equations of rectilinear motion for constant acceleration. The set of equation 3.11a were obtained by assuming that at t equals 0, the position of the particle x is 0. We can obtain a more general equation if we take the position coordinate at t equals 0 as non-zero, say x0. Then equations 3.11a are modified, replacing x by x minus x0 to v equals v0 plus at, x equals x0 plus v0 t plus half at square, v square equals v0 square plus 2a into x minus x0.